Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily update Pinterest app to the latest version in 2024 and get access to all the latest features of Pinterest. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So basically, I will tell you the two different ways that you can follow to update Pinterest app to the latest version and get all the latest features of Pinterest. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, first of all, the first thing you can do is to simply tap on the Play Store and then search for Pinterest. Or if you're on an Android, you can go to Google Play Store and search for Pinterest app, and if it says update, just tap on it and your Pinterest app will be updated. However, if it says open and technically your Pinterest app is updated to the latest version, but you don't have access to the latest features, there is a thing that you can do. Tap on settings and then tap on general and then iPhone storage. So basically we are gonna force update Pinterest app by simply tapping on it and then tap on offload and then offload app and then reinstall it. Basically you will force update with this method your Pinterest application. So that's how you can easily update your Pinterest app to the latest version in 2024 and get all the latest features. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.